Imagine waking up one day to find your local grocery store shelves empty. The staples you rely on, rice, wheat, vegetables, gone. Hunger is no longer a distant problem but a global emergency. This isn't just a dystopian scenario, it's a silent crisis that's unfolding as we speak. And if left unchecked, it could lead to global conflicts that threaten the very fabric of our civilization. The silent crisis. How food shortages could lead to global conflicts. Hi, this is Ganeswar Baskey, and welcome back to Science IQ Motivation, the channel where we explore pressing global issues and how they impact our future. Today, we're talking about something that directly affects every single one of us: food. Not just what's on your plate, but how a food crisis could ignite wars, collapse economies, and even threaten global stability. Stay till the end to discover how you can be part of the solution, because understanding the problem is the first step to change. Number 1. The growing food crisis. Let's start with the facts. According to the United Nations, global hunger has been rising for the past decade. Right now, over 800 million people go to bed hungry every night. But what's causing this? 3 major factors are fueling this crisis: climate change, geopolitical tensions, and economic inequality. By 2050, the global population is expected to reach 10 billion, requiring a 70% increase in food production. Now know about climate change first. Let's talk about climate change. Rising temperatures are destroying farmland, while extreme weather events like floods and droughts are reducing crop yields. For instance, in 2023, droughts in the Horn of Africa left over 50 million people at risk of starvation. These aren't just numbers, these are lives. Now know about geopolitical tensions next. Wars and conflicts are turning fertile lands into barren wastelands. Take Ukraine, for example, a global breadbasket. The war disrupted the export of wheat, causing a ripple effect on food prices worldwide. Food isn't just food anymore, it's a weapon in global politics. Now about economic inequality. Finally, economic inequality. Even when food is available, not everyone can afford it. In some countries, a single loaf of bread costs more than what an average person earns in a day. The rich get richer, while the poor struggle to survive. Number 2. The link between food and global conflicts. History has shown us time and again that food shortages lead to unrest. The French Revolution? Sparked by bread shortages. The Arab Spring? Triggered by skyrocketing food prices. When people can't eat, they take to the streets, and those streets often turn into battlegrounds. Let's know about food as a weapon. Food is also being weaponized. Nations hoard supplies, impose export bans, and use food to manipulate other countries. This creates a domino effect, pushing already vulnerable regions into deeper crises. Let's know about migration and refugee crises. When people can't find food in their own countries, they migrate. This often sparks tension in host nations, leading to further instability. The current refugee crisis is just a glimpse of what could happen if food shortages continue to rise. Number 3. The path to solutions. So, what's the way out? While the problem is complex, the solutions are within our reach. Let's know about sustainable farming. We need to invest in sustainable farming techniques, vertical farms, hydroponics, and regenerative agriculture that can produce more food using fewer resources. Now know about global cooperation. Countries must work together to ensure fair food distribution. This isn't just charity, it's about global stability. Let's know about reducing food waste. Finally, reducing food waste. Did you know that 1/3 of all food produced globally is wasted? If we cut this in half, we could feed millions. Number 4. Call to action. This silent crisis needs a loud response. And it starts with us. Educate yourself, support sustainable practices, and hold leaders accountable. Together, we can turn the tide. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe to Science IQ Motivation for more thought-provoking content. Let's create a better future, one step at a time. The seeds of tomorrow's peace are sown in today's fields. Let's ensure they grow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.